Hey guys, Rob here with the 99-600. It's the bike we got for 400 bucks off of Facebook Marketplace. We got this thing running, put some fresh oil in it. Now we're going to try to make it to a test and tune. I rode it yesterday and for some reason it's leaking gas, so today we're going to figure out why. Well, that didn't take long to figure out. See how there's a screw here? Well, the one back there on that carb is missing. It must have just vibrated out. Oh, that's not good. No wonder that back tire felt a little slippery. I'm lucky. Luckily, my friend James had one of these screws laying around, and he dropped it off for me so we can still go racing today. I'm going to put it back together. Everything seems okay so far. We're going to load her up and hit the track. Hopefully nothing else goes, nothing else goes wrong. Both the bikes loaded up. We're hoping that this bike at least makes a couple passes down the track. The brakes are a little weird on it, but we're gonna give it a shot. Hopefully everything. Yeah, the throttle's a little weird and the brakes a little weird, but we're gonna hope for the best, you know. Just see what happens. Hopefully I'm not in the news tomorrow. Midget crashes bike at Stanton Raceway.
Local little man.
Right. All right. Yeah, well, hopefully it doesn't break, but we're here at Mid-Michigan, last day of the season. Not that many people here, which is good for us, but if Viet's over here trying to beat me again, gonna beat my time, we'll run him with the black bike because this bike's way too damn slow. But hopefully the bike doesn't break again. See if we can actually do something good. Well, it's running like shit, and it keeps kind of trying to stall on me, but I'm going to try to at least get one pass on it. Stalling at the line. It shut off me a couple times, so I just don't want to shut off halfway down the track.
Right.
So
well, I mean, at least if it shut off halfway down the track, you can roll.
Right. Still.
But you ran a 13.9. That's pretty good off the boat, considering it's been sitting.
So 2 years in the garage to a 13. Yeah, like, I'm happy with it. I think one of the carbs is definitely plugged up.
Right. Well, it might be that one with the set screw.
Maybe. I know that I got. It was like
you could hear it bog, and then it started.
Bog, and then I got all of it, and then it picked up, and I was like, "Holy shit!" But no, I'm kind of happy with it.
Right.
Let it sit down, let it cool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna bring out this one and see if I can break. At least get in the 11s. So. Gonna take out this one. Hopefully, we can get back into the 10s.
Yeah. Do you feel a little safer?
This bike's so different. able to really race it today, I'm gonna try to ride it home. It's about 30 miles or so. So hopefully she makes it home. It's popping a little bit out of the exhaust. Yeah, she's backfiring a little bit, but I'm hoping that maybe she just needs to run. But wide open throttled on the track's probably not gonna help those dirty carbs. So we'll see. See if she makes it home. If not, put it back in the truck. Holy shit, we made it home. She stutters like crazy. Yeah, I did stall it a few times, but something's up with the carbs, so we're gonna have to fix that. And then at least it made it home. I mean, for being for pulling it out of garage, it probably sat in there for like 3 years. So it was like a 45-minute drive home. It got better as I went. So I think it probably needs a carb rebuild. Who knows how long it really sat for. Guy told us 2 years, and I mean, if that was 2-year-old gas in it, that's not good. So.
Sir.